This is my 135-gallon planted and angelfish tank with some other fish, danios, 3 Bolivian rams, and some rosaline sharks over there. There they are. This used to be a planted 55-gallon community, but they outgrew it, and the plants just kept growing, and so I put them in this tank. I got a 220-gallon tank for my cichlids and turtles that used to be in here, and so now this is my peaceful planted tank. It has 6 Amazon swords, some jungle val in the back over there, and let's see, and over there. It's actually growing horizontally along the surface now. Substrate is plant friendly. Not quite sure what it's called. I'll have to get back to you on that. But everything in here is pro plant, except for that oxygen aerator. I just I like my plants, but I like my fish a little bit more, so I just want to make sure that they have enough oxygen. There's no CO2 in this tank. You can probably tell by looking at that Amazon sword. I've had it for 2 years and it's not doing well. I don't know why, because every other Amazon sword in here is doing pretty good. It's all the same water and the same fertilizer, same light. Let me get a little closer so you can see my angelfish better. These 3 I've had for a couple years. They're pretty hardy. I found that the mixed variety of angelfish are definitely more hardy than the koi angels, even though the koi angels are supposed to be sort of a mutt also. But I've gone through, I don't know, maybe 6 koi angels, while these guys have just thrived. I'll have to do an update later on, let you know how this plant is turning out, but it is definitely not looking good right now. It's a green winty or red winty, one of the two. And that's the big mother Amazon sword, reaching almost to the surface. Huge plant. This has produced, it's created other plants that I've propagated and replanted. So definitely lives up to its name, being a mother Amazon sword. I've had these danios for a long time. Pretty hardy fish. It's a Bosemani rainbow. Down here I have my Rosalines. And I have 3 Pictus cats in here. There's one of them. Always just hanging out around the bottom. There's another one. And over here is my 3rd Pictus cat. It's a Bolivian ram in the back. Apologize for the algae on the glass. I'll have to clean that off. And he's got 2 smaller Bolivian rams that just kind of follow him around. Pictus Catfish are just so active all the time. I bred this angelfish. He was from a batch of my black angel and my striped angel. And there were 43 of them that made it. I sold them, and I kept this one. So he constantly fights with his father, the black one, the black marble one in the back. I don't know if he knows it's his father, but he definitely doesn't like him. He has some abandonment issues. Oh, I think we may have a showdown here. Yes, we do. It is on. What do you want, son? Dad! You abandoned me, Dad! You just fertilized me on a plant and left me there. Well, it's not my fault, son. I'm a fish. I had to grow up in a 20-gallon tank and then a 40-gallon tank. Oh, grow up, son. Hope you're enjoying this. Well, looks like there's not going to be a fight right now, but I will try and get a fight on camera because they're pretty interesting. They're kind of funny. Nobody ever gets hurt. They just let each other know that they don't like each other. This angelfish is pretty young. Turned out nicely. This one is the mother of that that fish we were just looking at, and she has begun hanging out with this one. So I'm sure it has nothing to do with the fact that they look exactly alike. In the back here we have. This is an electric blue Jack Dempsey, and eventually he will be going into my 220-gallon tank with big cichlids and turtles. May even become king of that tank someday. But right now he's little, so he's in here. Oh, here we have a bristle-nosed Pleco. And you can see his nose and his spines. It's kind of an ugly fish. He's got 2 beady little eyes there, looking right at you. And somewhere back here, either on this plant or this plant, is my upside down catfish. He just never leaves his area, and he never comes out. So I actually didn't see him for months. I thought he was dead, and then when I changed, when I moved everyone over from the 55 gallon to the 135, I found that not only was he alive, but he was really fat. So he's in here somewhere. I think that's his tail, actually. Let's see if I can zoom in a little bit. No. Anyways, that is his tail. So his body is under there somewhere. Can't really see him. That's how he likes it. So we'll close with a side view of my tank. Cory cats down there. And this is just looking long ways down to the other end, 6 feet away. That's all.